All right, hi everybody. I'm going to show you really quick just like a fast way to build your color wheel. There are some better ways that are a little bit more accurate, but I'm just going to do a really quick one. So I'm just going to start with the blank paper. Main thing also is that you need to have your motif design cut out. Mine is just like a little snake here. So if I were being really accurate, I would find the center of this paper, but I'm actually just going to eyeball it and trace a circle off anything in my house, but I just found this coaster. So I've got a circle there. The next thing to do is draw a line straight through the middle of it. And straight through the middle this way. And I'm actually just eyeballing this, and I know you're like, what? Is that what I was supposed to do? Well, I'm showing you the fast way. So, yes. If we were really being good, we would measure it. Now, in the end, we want actually 12 different segments. So, if we think of this like a clock, and this is the 12, then we just have to take this space and divide it into into 3, so that there's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. I'm going to take this one and divide these. 3, 4, 5, 6. Divide, 7, 8. Divide, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you look at a clock on the wall, if you have one in your house or somewhere, or if you just look online at a clock, you would know what I'm talking about. So now the main thing right now is that we figure out which ones of these are going to be for the primary colors. As I've said, that is always the most important piece. If you start with the 12, you're going to go to the 8 and the 4. So the way we did it was we drew that triangle. So now this would be red, yellow, blue. And the way that we did it in class was that we did a little inverted triangle. And of course they're doing construction in the background. That's like obvious how it would always work. If we combine blue and red, we get purple or violet. Red and yellow make orange. Blue and yellow make green. That was the fast, easy-ish way to do it. Now we would just have to take our little motif and trace it here onto red. Start there. It's going up red. And then I would have to erase this out a bit at the end. I drew a little bit darker than I would probably want you to draw. But red, and then we'll do it for yellow. Same deal. Put it right on that yellow one. Erase all this stuff out. And then I would trace the one for blue. And then I would label them so that I know. So I'd say like this is going to be red. This is going to be yellow. And you want me to do blue too? Okay. I will trace blue. Blue. Then I would go and trace all the other ones. And I would end up with a color wheel that looks a little bit more like this. So let's say this is red, red, yellow, oh my gosh. Red, yellow, blue, red and yellow make orange. Blue and yellow make green. Red and blue make purple, violet.